Hi guys, it's Ruby from Oofy Scraps, and I am going to show you a little haul from Scrapbook.com that I just got yesterday. A few things for December Daily, a few things for my Thanksgiving album I do every year, and then a couple random things just to keep the projects going, basically. So I'm going to start off with paper. I mostly got paper. I got a couple of loose, just single sheets. This is 2 sheets from Flower Child, which is definitely one of my favorite collections. This is probably my favorite paper in the collection. I love it. Backside is also fun. And then I definitely got this one for this side. I love this kind of like 70s rainbow pattern. And then I got this one sheet for the Thanksgiving album. It's really pretty. It's just pumpkins. It's from Cartabella. Fall Fun. And then I got a lot of December Daily paper. I feel like that's the one thing that I'm always running out of is paper because of all the different crafty things I like to do in December Daily. I need paper for backing things and whatever. So I got a bunch of paper. First paper is, where is this from? Nutcracker Parade Remnants? Never heard of that before, but that's cute. I like both sides. And then this paper is, I think, the nicest scrapbook paper I've ever seen. It's from Cartabella, and it's just like a textured, really thick, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's got like a texture to it. It's super nice. I love this. It kind of reminds me of the Ali Edwards like Christmas floral albums. Backside is just a simple little starburst thing. I love this paper. So I got 2 of those. And then I also love this. Also reminds me of the Ali Edwards album from a couple years ago, the Santas. I think that was 2022. But yeah, all the different Santas. I got 4 sheets of this because I loved it. It's from Crepe Paper Holly Jolly. Holly Jolly Holiday. I really do not like the back side of this at all though. So definitely will just be using the front. And then another kind of holiday floral. This is Crepe Paper Holly Jolly Holiday as well. And then the back side, wait, what? Oh, it's like 2 of those. Backside is nice. I like this. It's not just pink and red, it's pink, red, and green, which I think is cute. And then a candy cane, also from that same collection, with another fun plaid. Also, if you hear like blowing in the background, I have a tiny space heater by my feet because it's so cold in my house. Then we got, this is Letters to Santa from Cartabella. Again, such nice paper quality. I really like it. Really pretty green print. I definitely want to kind of look into more Cartabella papers, especially for projects that are outside of the page protector. This is so nice. We've got Echo Park, Nutcracker Christmas. Really not a fan of this, but I think this is very cute. I like to have a variety of like imagery and then like regular patterns for all the different potential needs. But I really like this as well. This is Simple Stories Boho Christmas. I love this font. It's very cute. So I got 2 of those. And then this back side is also really cute. I'm hoping for these double-sided papers, I'm able to use both sides. I love when I can do that. But sometimes you poke through it too much and it doesn't work. So we'll see. And then another one from that Cartabella collection, Christmas Flora, Joyful Christmas Flora. Nice backside. I really love this. I need to look at Cartabella, but this is beautiful. And then I got this little pack of paper from Simple Stories. That's just 6 12 by 12 sheets in different like fall kind of colors. It's called Color Vibe Textured Cardstock Kit Boho. Great descriptor. But this is going to be for my Thanksgiving Thankful For cards. If you've never seen my Thanksgiving album before, I can link a video. I think I have 1 or 2 videos about it. I'm also going to be posting some, hopefully, very soon, so that people can kind of see it before Thanksgiving if they want to start the tradition. But essentially, everyone writes what they're thankful for at Thanksgiving on these like little place cards, and then I put them in the album along with pictures and stuff from the night. But I decided this year I want to do different colors, so I wanted some nice cardstock. So I'm just going to cut out of these papers. So these are just like texture cardstock, not super thick, but a nice one. The backside is polka dots, which I'm not obsessed with, but it's okay because sometimes in the album I like adhere the Thankful For card down and you don't see the backside, but other times I'll make it like a pull out of a pocket situation and then you can see the backside. So it'll be nice if these are already backed because I did have to back some of the other ones. And I'm planning on including the I'm Thankful For card in gold writing, so I think the gold look really good on all these papers. I'm gonna use the gold Jelly Roll pen in my Cricut. That's like a recent thing I've been doing with my Cricut, is the Cricut writing feature. So maybe I'll make a little video for you guys to see how I put that all together, but we'll see. If you're interested in that, let me know. And then the final paper thing I got is the full pack of the Crate Paper Holly Jolly Holiday. Crate Paper is definitely one of my favorite brands. I will say some of the stuff is a little kitschy for me, but for the most part, I do really like it. And as you saw, I did pick a bunch of individual sheets up that I was like my favorite sheets. But I did get this full pack. It has 2 of each design, so it's very thick. Like 48 pages is a lot, but there's gold foil as well, which is cool. I love the cut apart. Just do a quick flip through so you guys don't have to see a million things. I will say there are definitely sheets in here that I do not like. So my new thing lately is when I go through paper pads, I will pull out every single sheet that I like absolutely do not like. And then I put it in a pile and either bring it to the little girls that I babysit and they cut it up and do whatever with, or I keep it in a pile for like when I'm cricketing and I want to do a like I'm not a fan of this color at all. If I want to do a project, sometimes I'll do like a practice cut to see what it will look like, and I'll do random scratch paper of pattern papers I don't like. Or every now and then I'll like post it on my local Facebook Marketplace page and people will pick it up for whatever they want to use it for. I really don't like this like chartreusey green. It's like a little too limey for me. And green's my favorite color, so not a fan of that. But overall, there's a lot of good patterns. Again, that black, I really don't like that. There's that Santa that I love. But yeah, I think it's a good mix. It's a lot of pattern. It's not that much, not that many simple pages. Like, I think this is very cute. I don't know how I would use that though. It's a little busy. When it's a busy pattern and it's like big imagery, I find that a little bit harder to use sometimes. Really like that though. But yeah, and then the last things I got is just a couple additional things. So first being this free gift with purchase embossing folder. I think that embossed paper is really cool. It's something I don't think is as popular anymore. But I do have a Big Shot and I have one embossing folder and I think it's really cool. So I was contemplating using this on Thanksgiving Thankful For cards, but I think it'll be hard for people to write on them, so I won't do that. But anyways, I think that's fun, especially for something, again, like that's outside of the page protector where you'll like hold it. I know it's kind of made for like card making, but we'll see if I get to use that, but it was free, so it's not that big of a deal. And then I got this set of vellum frames. I will say they are so small. So also my hands are orange because I was at pottery using a very iron heavy clay. So it's really just this hand is stained orange, that's why. But just a variety. I think this is a Studio Calico set, which by the way, that they announced they're pretty much done making scrapbooking supplies is really upsetting because that's probably my favorite scrapbooking like design aesthetic shop. So I'm bummed about that. But anyways, these I think are from Studio Calico, but they're just on scrapbook.com. I got this for the Thanksgiving album because of the color scheme, but I don't know how I would use this because they're so small. Like putting a picture in there would be something. So we'll see, but I got those. Then I got this pack of like ephemera. Where are we from? Cartabella as well. Frames and tags, just to use in the Thanksgiving album. Sorry, there's a huge glare. But those are all the different pieces. It's very difficult to find good Thanksgiving stuff. It's not a popular holiday to scrapbook, I guess. And then I got these Simple Stories boho Christmas numbers as well. I thought those would be fun for December daily. I love that like font. It's very retro. And then the last thing I got, which is probably what I'm most excited about, is this set of washi from Simple Stories. It's from Cider and Donuts, and it's just Thanksgiving, or I will use it for Thanksgiving scrapbooking. Really pretty. I feel like a lot of Thanksgiving stuff is like really kitschy, tacky, old, and this is cute. I'm excited to use that. So that's everything I got. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm hoping to be posting a couple more videos here soon, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.